Get an amazing business line of credit. What's a credit line? It's an agreement between a financial institution or a private investor establishing a maximum loan balance a borrower can access. A borrower can access funds from their line of credit anytime, long as they don't exceed the maximum set in the agreement, and as long as they meet any other requirements of the finance institution or investor, such as making timely payments. The money does not have to be used for a pre-specified purpose. It's a bit like a credit card without the plastic. Business credit lines have many unique advantages, including flexibility. You only pay interest on what you use, unlike loans where you pay interest on the full amount borrowed. Credit lines can be reused, pay off a balance, and use that available credit again and again. They are the most commonly requested loan type in the business world. But true credit lines are rare and hard to find. Many are also tough to qualify for, requiring good credit, time in business, and financials. But there are other credit cards and lines that few know about. These are available for startups, bad credit, even if you have no financials. Let's look at SBA CapLines. According to the SBA, CapLines is the umbrella program under which SBA helps business owners meet short-term and cyclical working capital needs. They give out loans up to $5 million. The qualification requirements are same as with other SBA programs. The seasonal line advances against anticipated inventory and accounts receivables. It's meant to help seasonal businesses. The contract line finances direct labor and material costs associated with performing assignable contracts. The builder's line is meant for general contractors or builders constructing or renovating commercial or residential buildings. You can finance direct labor and material costs, where the building project serves as the collateral. With the working capital line, borrowers must use loan proceeds for short-term working capital and operating needs. If the proceeds used to acquire fixed assets, lender must refinance the portion of the line used to acquire the fixed asset into an appropriate term facility no later than 90 days after the lender discovers the line was used to finance a fixed asset. Let's check out SBA Express. It provides access to a credit line for well-qualified borrowers. There are approvals to $350,000. The SBA lets banks charge as much as 6.5% over their base rate, and loans over $25,000 require collateral. For approval, you need a balance sheet and income statement, account receivables, your lease, collateral, your articles of incorporation, all business licenses, and any contracts with third parties. Let's recap. There are several types of business lines of credit out there. Try the SBA's 4 CapLines programs, or SBA Express, or try inventory financing or account receivables. You can also try to get a revenue credit lending line or cash flow financing, and check out a 0% unsecured credit line program, particularly if you have a startup or are in a high-risk industry. Contact us today to learn more about how you can get an amazing business line of credit.